Let's create a photo album. What we want is a photo album that will take in a directory or a list of pictures and will display them for so long, we'll say 5 seconds to start with, one at a time in a loop. So thank you for joining me again. If this is your first video of mine that you're watching, appreciate you coming and stopping by. If you've seen other videos, nothing you learned from those is going to apply. For now, each photo will display for 5 seconds on a loop. So, while ChatGPT creates the code, we will create a new Java or a new Python class, new file, Python file, and that is done. There's something to install, so we can copy the code and paste it into our file, and then we will need to copy the install line, pip install pillow, and we will paste that into our terminal and run that command. What this will do is it will install a library called Pillow. I've never used it before, can't tell you anything about it, but it's a library and it's helpful for what we're doing, apparently. So we will import OS. Let's change that to photo album. I don't know why I'm putting it in my sounds file. Again, just kind of what I do. And let's run it. So we have some errors down here at the bottom. Scroll up, we'll get the topmost spot that has the arrows on the bottom. I don't know why I'm scrolling up here. Go down to terminal, Chad. Go down to terminal. All right, so the first one that has those little arrows underneath is this app equals photo album root line. Let's copy that, and we'll just let ChatGPT know that it doesn't like that line. So here we got a new code we can try, and we'll copy this and paste it into our Python. Let's give this one a try. Looks more promising. We can choose our directory. Let's select the folder, and voila, there's our first picture. Second picture. Okay, that's way zoomed in. So it's working, but not exactly the way that I would want it to work. Each photo should fit on the screen. Yeah, that's way too zoomed in. So once this is done, we'll make sure that it can make a complete loop. And Mama Rose. Yeah, I'd like that picture to be centered or something. Alright, so I made the complete loop. So the only thing is, let's get those photos to fit better. Though this is complete in less than 4 minutes, we can take a few minutes to make it a little bit better. So we'll just have it so the maximum length compared to the screen is filled, whether that's height or width. And we don't want the pictures to go outside the window. So here's a new code. Easy enough to write. Let's copy that, paste that into our Python file, and run it. We'll choose the same directory and see what happens. It's just a gray screen. Okay, there's our second picture and our third picture. That fits a lot better. Miller's Hot Bologna. If you haven't had it, I suggest you try it. If you like pickled meat. Let's change this number right here. Selfmaster.after. I believe that's going to be our time. So instead of 5 seconds, now they should go every 3 seconds. And let it go. There we go. Fits in. 3 seconds. It's rolling. So there we have it. This is our scrolling photo album, looping photo album. It's a photo album. It displays pictures like Mama Rose in the great outdoors. Movement.org. So we can stop this. Let's have a little fun and speed it way up. Nah, yeah, let's do it. We'll make it half a second per picture, which would be 500 milliseconds. And let's play. Let's get that full size before we go. And here we go. Takes off smoothly. It's a wonderful thing. Thank you for joining me again. I appreciate it. Having you, please click subscribe below if you have any interest in making any apps. I can teach you with the help of ChatGPT. I'll take care of the minor details while ChatGPT writes the majority of the code. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.